Welcome back to Deal Explorer. Changing a flat tire doesn't have to be exhausting. Today's electric car jacks combine lifting power, built-in lighting, air compressors, and even impact wrenches to make roadside emergencies much easier. In this video, we're counting down 5 electric car jacks that stand out for their features, convenience, and versatility. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is this 12-volt electric hydraulic floor jack. Available in both 3-ton and 5-ton configurations, it offers solid lifting performance for many passenger vehicles and SUVs. Its hydraulic lifting system helps raise the vehicle smoothly, while the adjustable lifting range makes it suitable for different ride heights. If you're looking for a dependable electric jack focused on lifting performance without extra accessories, this model is a practical option for both garage work and emergency roadside use. Coming in at number 4 is this 5-ton electric hydraulic jack kit. Its 3-in-1 design combines an electric hydraulic jack, an impact wrench, and an inflator pump into one portable package. The included LED light improves visibility when changing a tire after dark, while the carrying case helps keep all components organized. This all-in-one approach makes it a convenient companion for road trips and emergency situations. At number 3 is SucceBuy's 5-ton hydraulic electric car jack with an electric impact wrench. Designed for SUVs, sedans, and trucks, this model combines hydraulic lifting with an electric impact wrench to simplify tire changes. It also includes a built-in inflator pump and LED work light, making it a well-rounded emergency tool. For drivers who value convenience and multiple functions in one kit, this model delivers a balanced feature set. Taking the number 2 position is another impressive 5-ton hydraulic electric jack from SucceBuy. Its hydraulic lifting system is paired with a built-in inflator pump and bright LED work light, helping drivers handle both lifting and tire inflation with one device. Its design focuses on straightforward operation, making it a strong choice for everyday drivers who want an easy-to-use emergency solution. Our number 1 pick is the 12-volt 5-ton 4-in-1 electric hydraulic car jack. This model combines 4 useful functions into one compact system: hydraulic lifting, an electric impact wrench, an air compressor, and an LED work light. Its lifting range of approximately 155 to 530 millimeters increases compatibility with a wide variety of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs. For buyers looking for the broadest feature set in a single kit, this model offers an impressive combination of convenience and versatility, making it our top pick for this roundup. Those were our top 5 electric car jacks of 2026. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Deal Explorer, and let us know in the comments which model you would choose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.